Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install iOS 27 developer beta version in your iPhone. This iOS is supported for iPhone SE second generation and later. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We will see how to install this one if it is not showing in your phone, and after complete this installation how many features they are introducing new and how exactly look like after updating this iOS. So now let's start. So my iPhone is here, 17 Pro Max. If you look at this here, this is the iOS 26.6. So here, if I tap here in the settings section, the software update, I already downloaded the software in my iPhone. If it is not showing in your phone, you just simply always enter here the beta update, tab here. Previously, if you have iOS 26 public version or developer beta version, so by default iOS 26 developer beta is showing here. So you just simply tap there and afterwards your update is showing here. For this downloading perspective, you need to spend around 20 to 30 minutes because of this one is huge update. I just simply say update here, verifying update. Before update, make sure you can back up your iPhone, but most of time I'm not doing the any kind of backup, but as a security point of view you need to always take a backup of your iPhone. My iPhone is a restart. Now we need to spend here around 30 to 40 minutes. If you are updating your iPhone, so my personal opinion, you can always connect the charging as well, because of if you connected the charging is connected, so your processor is not making too much hits because of power is always come in as a external. After complete this process we will see. So finally I update iOS 27 developer beta version in my iPhone. It's easy, just simply enter here the settings section and then again general section, then update, and here I updated iOS 27 developer beta version. It's easy what we receive here inside this developer beta version. First, I personally focus on the camera application. Inside the camera application, look at this here, we are receiving different types of footages. If you click here, so this exposure, previously this font size and this attraction is very small, but now we are receiving bigger than that as we expect. And here the formatting, previously this feature showing here, so that would be is really nice. If you enter here the camera section, video section and 4K, so look at this here, this formatting is a totally change as previously we are receiving. This is the biggest update, as see here as well, exposure numbers you can see as a bigger than that as we expecting. The 4K style, this is the features. I just simply enter here in the camera section, in the setting section, here the Apple Siri. So they are introducing Apple Siri is a separate application, look like this. So that point of view you need to always join here Apple Siri. First of all you install, the question is coming here, you want join this Apple Siri application or not, basic features if you are using. So here you will notify Siri available on your iPhone. Apart from that, we are not receiving any extra application of this update. If I enter here in the camera section, inside the camera section is also not receiving extra different setting. So that's it for this update, how to update very easily and what we receive exactly. Upcoming days I will show you how many features they are introducing iOS 27 developer beta version. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Research rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.